Kamsi, lamasan.
Nagana na ka? Hi! Nagana na ka? Another round. Pia, inilog. Oh, yeah, ayun guys. Don't touch me because what are you? 150 per bottle, so that would be... And look at this house, it's nice. So they used to get the big squid, guys, instead of fish. Pero, mo na yung boat, kuya? Kane?
Karang white.
How much it costs to... Oh, pambot. Oh, pila. He doesn't look very old, guys, right? Look at him, guys. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you the cockpit. I know a lot of you are curious what's going on in there. So I have my motorbike here. I'm gonna drive slowly. So are you guys excited? Stay tuned until the end. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, so I'm here. There's motorbike parking both sides. Look at this, guys, there's many chili. I'm gonna ask how much is the entrance. And hello. Wow, that's a huge fish. How much is the entrance? Because it's been a while, it's been a long time I'm not here. I'm not visiting this cockpit. Unsa na guys that call? Pula lagi. Wow, that's a huge fish. Wala ka unsay pangalan ng isda ah? Wala. Limbahon. Pilang kilo?
330.
330. Dag-anan? Okay. He said he win. So finally he gets some fish for the family. That's 330 pesos per kilo. Look at here, guys. So many motorbike here, down there, until there where I park my motorbike. Hello. Hi. Lantar ako. This is a lakto. Pilang kilo? Ay, pilang putos? 30. 30? 30 pesos each. Kana? 50. Wow, look at this fish. It's huge. I bought that yesterday. I bought like that. Pila ilang entrance dire?
Wala na entrance, ma'am?
Wala entrance. Let's go. Okay. There's no. Pero normally pila po nila?
100 pesos.
100 pesos. Og magdala sila og kanang manok, wala entrance.
50.
Ah, 50 pesos.
Dala kuya, libre. Tingnan man si Madam Penga, magdala kuya.
Sana all na uyab. Look, they're selling. They're drinking beer. Hello. Oh. Kadaog. Sana all. Hi. Ay. No, thank you. Thank you. Pili po posto ninyo anak ko.
Tagwan, 5,000.
Wow, 5,000. You have to bet 5,000 for that. Okay. There's a lot of people. Hi. There's more people here. You see? Hi. Hello. Unsay ato dira? Dag-ana na ka?
Gamay.
Hey. Yeah, let's have a look there, guys. Oh my God. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. I cannot show you the fight, guys. Tagay. Uy, hello. Oh my God. Look at them. They're so serious here.
Patay ka niya! Lunod barko!
Bawal sila naka, sir?
Gamay.
They always say they do win a little bit. Yeah. Every Sunday ka dire? Wow!
Lunod barko!
Let's explore, guys. Hi, what's up, Mananap?
Ayaw na.
Excuse.
Ito man ito eh.
Hi. vlog ko, kapakita ko kung sa ko na rin. Hey, Day! Dagan ang halin, Day!
Hey, madam!
Ay!
Nausa ka po ka lang.
Hello!
Nausa ka.
Hurot na yung halin! Hurot na!
Ano pa gani, no? Alin na ba? Ka vlog, ka vlog.
Get a vlog.
Ay!
Hoy! This is my classmate, guys.
Lagi.
Hi, Alfred!
Tamsi, laman sa.
Dagana na ka?
Tamsi. Kailan na?
Asa? May balato, be.
Tamsi, laman sa. Say hi.
Hi! Dagana na ka? Look, now another round. This is so good. Pia, pia, pia. They always say, pia, inilog. Oh, yeah, ayun guys, don't touch me kung gumating. Magwala pa na kayo akong arms. I was terrified. He's holding my arms. That's my, I know that. So much drinking also here, guys. Hello, say hello. Dag-anan, dagagkon, oh. You see, so noisy here. Ito Domingo mo dire. Wala ka ni pusta? Yung pusta ka, te? Sige ko yung mo. Report! Wow! Pusta na? Pusta? Yeah. Saan na siya lang?
Ay, kanang ilang mag-restro.
Rehistro. Mag-rehistro sila sa kaya magpabulan.
Wala itong magkaya nito manok.
So they have to register their rosters. Nagpila na ng Red Horse ron?
150.
150 per bottle, so that would be 600 pesos. Oh no, 300, no, 600 pesos, yeah.
900?
Kana ba, ang kuan, kana upat naman. Pila naman ka Red Horse sa iyong naurot?
Mura ni siya, mura lima na eh.
So they finished 5 bottles of Red Horse. Nganong ganahan man mo magkuan og Red Horse, mag-inom og Red Horse?
Para sipa kayo ba?
Para sipa. So the stronger, the better, guys. I cannot stay there for long because they were drunk. I'm terrified. Maybe they can pull my arms. Let's take a look here. Look. Let's be wood. Hi, doggy. I can hear the noise from here, guys. A nice river. It's not really, look, it's not really a lot of water. Maybe it's because it's, you know, summer. Sana olag. Ay, God bless you. Ay, I mean, mga good girl, good boy. Puro good girl? Yeah. That's Sienna's classmate. Wow, amazing. Oh, yeah, it's cloudy and I think there's no... Oh, there's sun still there. You know what? That house, that's the house of my friend. She's married with, you know, a guy from France. Look at this. Amazing. Now I'm next to the ocean. I love this. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a lot of boats here. Guys, check this out. I am next to the ocean and look, there's many boats again. You know, province life. There's many fishermen here. And look at this house. It's nice. Unique. Mayong hapon. Ay, inyo din ni dire? Dire ka nagpuyokal? Nice kayo imong balay. Ganon kay ko kay very unique. Look at that house, guys. He's the owner. Nakay mga anak kon? Asa man imong mga anak ron?
Panglaw. Boy.
Ikaw ra dire. So he's the one staying here but he got 2 kids. Unsa man sila sa Bohol nagtrabaho?
Yeah. Mama o papa. Mama o bata.
Okay. There's a lot of tourists in Panglao Bohol. It's very touristy. Compared here in Sikihor, guys, look at here. It's so quiet. There's only the dog are noisy. Oh Lord, don't fight me, girl. Before, guys, when I was here, I don't. There's no houses like this. So that's the kitchen. Oh, that's the kitchen. There's a chickens here. Imo Nicole? Ah, that's his chicken, guys. Yeah, managat ka kuan?
Oh, nako sa kayan to.
Kan sa kadlaw, mo sa may managat ka.
Wala kay loud din kay. Angin man, pero
Ah, so wala mo ron. Mga kuan ra, mga dalupa para ipanguan ninyo. Ah, so they used to get the big squid, guys, instead of fish. Pero isda di ay. Dili kayo?
Murag na mo.
May pila basta usa ka adlaw. Unsa may kuan ninyo ana? Like pindira na po nami pero nadigid mo mazero.
Nagay mo.
Mazero gyud.
Yeah.
Sometimes when they go to get the squid, they don't get any. Ngayong hapon. Yes. I'm just exploring here for a while, guys. This, mo ni mong boat, kuya? Kane?
Parang white.
Kana? Oh, that's his boat right there. Ikaw gagamaan eh? Ikaw? Agi pabuhat. Pila man ang bayad og magpabuhat ag kuan? Pila bayad? How much it cost to
Karang
og pambot? Oh, pila?
last 20,000.
20,000, guys, to make this kind of pump boat. Ah, pila may makonsum ninyo nga kanang gasolina? Like mag-ato mo mulawod, ha?
Wow.
Pila? Crudo na? Ah, so it's diesel.
Yeah.
Pila ang kuan litro? Pila ka litro nyo mahurot? Kali back and forth na.
Back and forth, every 10 liters.
10 liters. Wow. Pila naman ang crudo ron?
61, di ba?
61 per liter?
Per liter.
So 61. Wow. Okay. Pila edad mo, kuya?
56.
56 years old. Wow. They're 50. He doesn't look very old, guys, right? Look at him, guys. Diba? You look young. You look like 46.
Kira? How much?
46.
Yeah. 5'6".
Oh,
Ang ako pong bata, na po smoke na nga restaurant. Smoke. Kanang karne lutoon pinagasaso. Pamputi man na.
Guys, I'm going to end this vlog because I'm going home soon. It's getting dark. Time check is 5:50. Yes, getting dark. Not like in your country. It's still
Vlog ka?
ga-vlog ko. And kita ka sa akong vlog. Oh, may picture ta. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you like this kind of video. I want to know in the comment section if you want more like lifestyle. All right? So see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.